Hello and thanks for joining us on NITV News. A 37-year fight for justice has led to the introduction of Cindy's Law in the New South Wales Parliament. There to witness the long overdue reform was the family of Mona and Cindy Smith, two cousins whose young lives were cut short in a car crash. Ricky Kirby explains.
An emotional moment for a family tormented by decades of injustice.
It's a long wait. It's been 38 years. Coming 6th of December for our justice, for our kids. Still haven't got the justice anyway.
Bearing witness as the legacy of their long struggle is introduced to Parliament.
The bill will enable a trier of fact to return a special verdict in circumstances where there is uncertainty about whether a victim was alive or dead at the time of an offender commits an act of sexual interference.
Teenage cousins Mona and Cindy Smith died in a car crash on the Mitchell Highway between Burke and Angonia in 1987. The driver, a 40-year-old non-Indigenous man, Ian Alexander Grant, was found not guilty of culpable driving causing death. He was also charged with indecently interfering with Cindy's body, which was later withdrawn on a technicality.
If this law is passed, that won't happen. A jury or a judge can convict that perpetrator of interfering with or sexually interfering with someone, whether they're alive or dead.
The legislative reforms before the Parliament arose from an inquest last year that found the initial police investigation into the girls' deaths was manifestly deficient and influenced by systemic racism.
A family still healing, working to ensure no other has to suffer the same fate.
We can't get closure now anyway because the bloke who done it, he died. He's gone. He didn't even, been in jail for one day, so he got away with everything where our little girls, my little sister, my little cousin died out on the road out there.
I've always wondered what she would have been like today. Whether she would got married and had kids, You think of all of these things. That's what I think, and I miss them very much.
The heavy toll of a tireless pursuit for justice. Ricky Kirby, NITV News.
And if that story has raised concerns for you or anyone you know and you'd like to talk about it, you can connect with 13 Yarn on 13 92 76.